Hello and welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the characters in the Sonic Dash game. To upgrade your characters, tap on the cards right here on the main menu, and then tap on any character that shows this little jumping arrow. That means that they are available to be upgraded. Tap on it and then tap upgrade. Then you can use your rings that you collected during gameplay in order to upgrade the set character. You can scroll across them and use the rings to give them upgrades. Upgrading your characters, of course, increases your level. As you can see, it gives experience points. And when you run out of rings, you'll have to go and play the game in order to gain more. Or alternatively, use this ad option in order to, well, watch an ad for some rings. Let's cancel it for now. Of course, you gain cards by performing missions and claiming them in this menu right here, or by spinning the prize wheel, which I believe you get one free spin every day. You can get, as you can see, some cards in there, though this seems to have a few free spins, so you can just spin until it tells you to pay or anything like this. As you can see now, it's paid, but in 6 hours you'll get another free one, and I would recommend keeping those points for some other things, as it's harder to get them. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.